As you may know, based on the coronavirus situation, unfortunately, we are not able to meet each other face to face, and therefore we will continue all of our lectures throughout the end of semester through online or distance instructions. Therefore, I try to divide the topics for today into two videos. The first video, which is the one that you are looking at right now, is that I want you guys to download the Oracle. So I'm trying to give you a demonstration, enough information about how would you download the Oracle, install it, and then basically have be able to successfully log into the Oracle. The next part would be focusing on talking about the primary key constraint, and I want you guys to have some hands-on experience creating a very first table of your own and add the primary key to your table. So that's what I want you guys to do for today's class. It's not a big progress, however, it will give you a lot of important fundamental information, such as having Oracle on your computer, as well as know how to log into Oracle and then start working with it. So it was going to be a pretty helpful class for us to make the progress. So the first thing I want you guys to do is actually go into the Oracle. Copy and paste this link as I have showed over here. So if we do that, goes to the web browser, hit enter, what you will see is that there are three choices for you to download the Oracle Express Edition. So this is actually a pretty good package for you to download. So based on your Windows system or your Linux system, try to find the one that most suitable for you. Click it. It will ask you to register as Oracle users, and then once you pass through that, it's totally free, and you will be able to download the file. This step will take you a while. That's why I want to separate this part as the individual class for you to do so. The file is going to occupy 300 megabytes for you to download, and therefore you would spend some time waiting for it to be downloaded. It is a crucial part of the class. We are going to use most of the online courses and have the hands-on practices. That's what I'm going to focus on for the rest of the semester. So you have to download and you have to wait until it went through. So say once you go through all of those things, you will have a file, looks like this one. So it's a zip file. Once you double click on that one, you will see the folder of that, and you do have a setup.exe file for you to execute it and then basically get your Oracle software. After the unzip and installation, it's going to take a pretty huge amount of space. However, like I said, it is crucial for you to do so so that we can continue for the rest of our semester. Saying that you have successfully downloaded the whole thing, and then if you look into your programs, what you will see is that you will find an Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. Once you try to open it up, what you will see is that there are quite a few files for you to open it up. The one that we're going to use is going to use the run SQL command line. So when you click on that one, you will be greeted with this screen, and then you will be able to go log into your Oracle. While you try to install the Oracle, it will ask you for the password. Since we are just playing with the Oracle for the class purposes, try to make your password as simple as possible. The default password that we're going to set up in the classroom is actually password, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D, all lowercase. This is the #1 most popular password in the world. so that it's totally fine. We are not going to store some secret information in our Oracle unless you plan to do so. So once you have set up your password during the installation, the first thing that you go into the Oracle is that under the SQL lines over there, you type in connect, CONNECT, and then system, which is going to give you the whole privileges, which is the system admin basically, then let you be able to connect in. Once you hit enter, it will ask you to type in the password, which like I mentioned, if during the installation you type in password as the password, then all you need to do is type in password over here. Of course, if you have some other password that you prefer, you need to remember that and then type in the correct password. One more thing is that while I'm trying to type in the password as the password, the cursor is not going to move. Don't panic. You just simply type in password, hit enter. It should let you successfully log into the system. So password, as you can see, when I type in those things, the cursor did not move. Now I hit enter, you will see connected, indicating that we have successfully logged into the system. So basically, this is what I want you guys to do for the first part of the lecture. Like I said, it will take a while to go through all of this process. However, once you are ready, please come back and then look into the second